install a smoke detector. You're gonna need gloves, a screwdriver with a Phillips head, screwdriver bit, a new smoke detector, and a ladder, and 3 wire nuts and wire cutters. Turn off the breaker to the smoke detectors. We're gonna have to cut these 2 wires. Wire cutters. Strip the wires. Our new wires here and the 3 wire nuts. Black goes with black, white goes with white, orange goes with red. Loosen the screws. The screws go through the mount. Push the wires like up into the ceiling, except for this piece. Breaker on. New smoke detector. Take the plastic out. Like and subscribe.